Hey everyone, I'm going to do a quick demonstration of this unit. I just got it. I'm super excited to use it. Here's the clear case so you can see the shavings as it fills up. It does take two AA batteries, which I just put in. So there are two settings as well. There is a protective case that you need to take off, as I just done. And as I said, there's two units here for how fast and how you should do it based upon how thick the fabric itself is, as you can hear it going right now. So I am going to do a quick little demonstration here. I have this yellow shirt. It is old. It has all these pills to it. All this you can see here. I'm just going to turn this on. Trying to get the best angle so you guys can see. Again, this is real time. I'm just going to gently, because it is a very thin fabric I'm using, going over it. You can already start seeing it working. You can always kind of almost hear it capturing, all the fabric in there. So I'm just going to keep going here so you guys can get a real idea of how it works in real time. So just slow circular motions I'm doing, and you can already see a bit of a difference how smooth that one area is right in here compared. I'm trying to get the, there we go in the light. You can see all of that compared to there. So it captures all of it here, so you can see how much is taken off. So I am super happy with this so far. I'm excited. It's going to refresh a lot of some of my favorite clothes that I'm not quite ready to part with. So I hope this little demonstration video helped. Thanks for watching, and bye for now, everyone.